new machine. Next one is another cabinet machine, but this is slightly newer than the last White that I had. This is a White 2775 and then the serial number. I think that's a model 277. I'll have to double check it. And first order of business, the cord has got an entire new end just twisted on and wrapped in electrical tape. So we're going to rewire that before we electrocute ourselves. And I'm not even going to test that. It's just going to get rewired because that's completely unsafe. Machine on the, with the yeah, camera out front, you can't see the bobbin tire, but it works the same way as the 1929 Rotary that I had in the Martha Washington cabinet. So it's got, it turns backwards compared to a Singer. Got a rotten bobbin tire on it, so we'll need one of those, but not a big deal there. Looks like it's okay, but got a little brown around the edges here, so it does have a drive tire on the motor, and it's been sitting long enough that I can feel the flat on it, so that drive tire absolutely has to get replaced. But it does have, interestingly, it's got these dials here to block the stitch length lever. So this one that says reverse blocks how far you can push the lever down, and that's the one that says forward. You actually have to hold the lever down to adjust this knob to get the stopper out of the way. So that's an interesting way for that to work. But these dials seem to work, and that knob seems to move its full travel, so that's promising. Let's see. There's a tension knob on the front here, and there's also a tension lever on the side, it looks like. So I don't know what the two different knobs for tension are. The tensioner looks similar to the White Rotary, but is not the same. We'll get a closer look at that too, because I think I'll have to clean that. And got a bobbin case. It's still using the big white bobbins, but this bobbin case has its own lock on it to latch it in place, whereas that old family Rotary had a lock on the case, or on the hook race, to hold the bobbin in. The bobbin case wouldn't stay in on its own. So alright, well, we'll have to get a look at this and see if we can get it going, but first things first, it's got to get rewired and got to get a new tire on it.